Rank number 4, 2 minutes, 20 seconds, 68 minutes.
Alright, we have 16 teams. 16 rank goes to Singapore Barbarians. 15 rank goes to University of the Philippines. 14 rank goes to San Beda. 13 rank goes to Dragons of North America. 12 ranking goes to Pyros. 11th ranking goes to Bugsay Boracay. 10th ranking goes to Shangri-La Flying Foxes. 9th ranking goes to Lama Dragons. 8th ranking goes to EYP Cebu Dragons. 7th ranking American Tourister Gaud. 6th ranking Boracay All-Stars. 5th ranking goes to Manila Dragons. Alright, the last 4 teams are the teams that will go to finals. First ranking goes to Boracay Guardians. Second ranking goes to Fleet Marine. Third ranking goes to Nami Ati. And 4th ranking goes to PBRT. So it means the 5th ranking all the way to 16 will go to repechage.
Okay, so watch out teams, please do not disperse your members as we are still having a lot of races.
Okay, wow, we have number 3, is that number 3? Yeah, that's the Manila Dragons leading the pack for race number 3. And we also coming in is on second place is the Lama Dragons. But the Shalom is in hot pursuit. Here we go. Okay, good race. Good race.
Okay, Eddie boy, we have Charge 3 mixed category. Okay.